video of how to make a cardboard coffee machine. You need one cardboard triangle box, but if you don't have, you use the shoe box. So next you have the circle of the top. Guys, you need a 4 pieces of cardboard stick and put it the edges like this. Guys, you can use the hot glue gun, but if you don't have the hot glue gun, you may use the scotch tape. Using hot glue gun or tape, make the edges like this. Stick the tape like this. Color the front piece if you want. Stick the tape properly on the edges. Once you cover the loose corner, the box should look like this. Cut the square piece same like this as same this. And stick at the back like this. Should open and close like this. Cut another piece of cardboard and write coffee, but this is optional. Tape off the front of the box. Another circle of the top like this. Guys, make sure the circle fits in the top like this. Make another piece of circle a bit longer. Make sure it is fixed like this. And make the beautiful coffee cup with the cover like this. Uncover the coffee cup and this is how it should work.